Welcome back. Moving forward, I'm going to demonstrate hands-on the concept of using Git, right? So it's different from GitHub. You may have heard the terms GitHub, where you can fork the repositories and take a look at different software codes from various people. But Git is simply a free and open source distributed version control system that is designed to handle everything from whether it's a small project or a large project with speed and efficiency. So relatively easy to use, but the purpose for this course, since this is DevOps fundamentals, I'm just going to show you the tool and basically what it does, how does it work, just at a high level, right? And I'm going to assign you some homework so you can actually go ahead and download it, take a look at it, play with it, understand it more, and learn Git. Because if you're into DevOps, you will need to know Git. It'll be very handy for you in bringing the dev and the ops teams together, especially for distributed version control system where you have large teams who are spread across the world or different locations maybe, and this would help. Okay, so all you have to do is just navigate to git-scm.com and you will be seeing this page. Here you can download the version for Windows, for example, or you can try it online as well. So I'm just going to demo a couple of things about Git, and then you can later on practice with this. So I'm going to click on Try Git, and this is going to take us to a page where it'll give us an online version of some Git commands that I can actually use. So if you start practicing, notice once you download the Windows version or the platform that you're using, whether it's Mac, you can start playing with it. So the commands are pretty straightforward. It kind of tells you what commands to use. I notice I've begun to use the commands from an initialization phase to checking the status, to adding and committing changes, adding changes further, checking for those changes, committing them again, and adding all changes, and so on. So we can continue to take a look at the future commands as well. So here are the commands as a sample exercise, so I can practice and say git commit. I'm just going to retype this -m, and then of course add all the octocat txt files, because I've already added those files in my previous step. Hit the enter key, and it's going to execute this command and add the octocat text files. So again, not to worry, just give you an example of how Git works and how you can use this to commit the changes, track versions. So I can do something like git log, for example, and it'll give me the log as well. And I can continue on building each one of these. So you can practice on your own. I just wanted to give you a flavor of what Git is. It is an open source version control system. So I will leave you at this, assign you some homework. If you have any questions about Git, just place it in the discussions area. I'll be more than happy to help.